Firstly, connect the toy OBD programmer to the vehicle. Wait for the device voice prompt.
The current OBD programmer only supports the Toyota Smart Key series. Please confirm the model is correct and the Smart Key programming will start soon. Start programming. Please turn on the ignition switch. Attach the original car Smart Key to the start button and then hear a beep. Attach the Smart Key to be programmed to the start button. Programming is successful. If you need to continue programming the key, please replug in the OBD program or every program. Otherwise, please unplug the OBD programmer.
Remove the key we have programmed and test it. Lock. Unlock. Passive entry test. Push button start test. The car started successfully. All key functions are working properly.